currently we have our moss giant moving from point A to point B. The next thing that I think we should fix here is let's get the animation right. The first thing that we want to do is we want to stop him from walking immediately. If his animation is currently looping, or not looping, but if he's in the idle animation, should he be walking? No. So if we actually run this, and you'll see here at the very start, he has about a 1 second idle animation. He should be still. Then he should continue moving. So what we need to do is inside of our moss giant, we need to create logic that's going to isolate this move towards method. We need to say, hey, if basically what? If idle animation, so here, if idle animation is playing, do nothing. Now, to give you a hint, the do nothing part, you can use what's called the return keyword. The return keyword will literally stop the method and return to the top. So that's essentially what we want to do. We want to say if idle animation is playing, do nothing. And for the most part, you might actually be able to put that right here. We can say if idle animation, then just return. We're going to say do nothing, which is return. And that way, our movement code will never even get called. So that's exactly what we're going to do. It's the benefit of having the movement code isolated. We can prevent it with a simple if statement. So that is your task. You need to figure out, how do I prevent the idle animation from playing using the animation system? Also, if you check inside our moss giant here, if we look at his controller, if you select in the hierarchy, select your moss giant, go to the sprite, double click the animator component, the controller, it will take you to the animator view. This is the animation that we want to stop. If this animation is playing, then we need to say, hey, stop moving. So the question now for you guys is, how do we stop an animation using the animation system? I'll see you guys in the challenge review.